I'm gonna teach you the French knot. My dear friend made one of my boards using only the French knot. It was so beautiful it became one of my favorite stitches. We're going to cut enough embroidery floss to complete all of the French knots in the middle, but not too much that it becomes overwhelming and gets knotted up itself. I'm going to put the two ends together with the needle on and stretch it so the needle is in the middle, and then going to bring the needle up through one of the holes in the middle. I'm going to leave a long tail in the back. Since this stitch requires two hands and I'm left-handed, I'm going to show you the way a right-handed person would do it. You put the needle horizontal, wrap it twice with the embroidery floss, and then go back down through the same hole you came up through. There are many variations of this, of how many times you wrap it, how many times you go through the hole. My favorite is wrapping it twice and going through because it creates the perfect knot for this size board. I'm now going to speed everything up and just continue to do the French knots. When I get to one of the holes I used for the fan stitch, it becomes a little more difficult to get the needle through, so I use the table as leverage to help push it through. I am now going to do the French knot left-handed, the way I typically do it. Once you're done doing all the French knots, you can just cut it in the back and tie it, and then you are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment what your favorite knot is below.